This day and age, it's all about driving efficiencies and driving down cost. We try to give our employees the tools that they need to get their job done and to do it efficiently and to do it correctly. I'm Danny Sanders. I'm the Director of Distribution. I have responsibility for the operations of the Memphis Distribution Center and also the Pico Rivera Distribution Center. This facility is 204,000 square feet. We distribute print services and electronic imaging for Toshiba America Business Solutions. And we also distribute the toner, consumer products, consumables, as well as the spare parts for all of our products. We have at the Memphis facility around 50 employees that perform our receiving and shipping duties. We were in the process of refreshing our hardware. At the same time, we also wanted to revisit what productivity solution efficiencies out there from a voice solution. One of the things that stopped us several years ago was the bandwidth needed to transmit the transactions through the network. The thing that we found most attractive about the wavelength solution was the ease of implementation, low cost solution that was very attractive to us. And the solution was also did not include any IT support or resources from our end. Those things made the solution very attractive to us. The implementation of Speakeasy happened in a week. We had our users up and running on the solution by Wednesday. We had the on-site support from Wavelength to fix any issues that we had real time, so the response was great. By the end of the week, we had our entire staff up and running on the solution. Overall, the benefits that we have seen have been in the productivity and also the accuracy portion of our business. We have realized 20 to 25% gains in productivity. We've changed their daily goals, so their productivity goals have increased. They don't have to constantly look at a screen. Now all of that is done through voice, and that dialogue is taking place as they're traveling. And we all know that in our warehouse, the biggest efficiency killer is travel time. So if we can perform some of those tasks as they're traveling, then that makes them more efficient. One thing that we gained from the solution that we didn't expect was navigation of our mobile app screens were very rigid, and we have found over 15 years that there were a lot of unnecessary steps in the navigation of the screens that were built in from the beginning, and to change those was going to include quite a bit of IT resource on our end, and our IT resources are stretched. The solution was able to take shortcuts, so the users were able to go directly into menu options without having to navigate through unnecessary screens and keystrokes. That was a big benefit of the solution to us. Prior to the implementation of the solution, we were doing a 100% audit of our orders. So when I say that, I mean that we would have one of our employees pick the order, pass it off to a second employee who would do a check or a verification or an audit, if you will, of the order. With this solution, where we're scanning all of the barcodes at the point of the pick, now we've eliminated that verification because the picker is actually doing the verification at the location. We participate in lean manufacturing principles, And this project had an overall benefit to us of over $500,000. And the ROI on it was less than 3 months. The solution that Speakeasy has and Wavelink has is a speech to text, and the software is on the device itself. It doesn't require a server or any maintenance from that standpoint. On our end, it was a very simple product to implement and to manage, and the employees have been very excited about the product. It's given them what they need to do their jobs better.